In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to use transparent wiping to automatically erase all traces of deleted files or temporary files beyond recovery. Many applications create temporary files, cache objects, or other special system files that may contain sensitive information. BCWipe transparent wiping ensures that these files are securely erased automatically, without you needing to worry about them. This feature will also wipe the files emptied from your recycle bin. So what is actually being erased by transparent wiping? Here are 5 common examples. First, all files and folders that are deleted using normal commands. Second, temporary files deleted by Windows applications or by Windows itself. Third, data stored in the Windows restore point. When the restore point is deleted, it will be securely erased. Fourth, data stored in the recycle bin when you click Empty Recycle Bin. Fifth, only specific types of files, folders, or applications by configuring include and exclude lists. Open BCWipe Task Manager. Enable transparent wiping. Here you can choose from 19 wiping schemes. Some files do not include personal or sensitive information. For example, Windows Update files or antivirus-related files. You can easily exclude them by checking those boxes. If you want to manually exclude files or folders, then select Exclude and then click Add. Browse for the files, folders, or a pattern you want to exclude. In addition, the Transparent Wiping Auto-Configure utility helps customize the list of excluded applications specific to your system. Click Auto-Configure from Log File. You will be asked for elevation. Click Yes. The utility will read the current log file if assigned. Check Write Log if you want to have a log file for your records. Log files can be viewed in Log View or Notepad. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to run transparent wiping with BCWipe. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.